SQL stock gained as much as 122% in this pre-market session of today, the 18th of September 2023. It has given up around 30% of those gains. Now at the gain is now 67, roughly 68%. At $22.31, you can see that's around $29 or thereabout. So that would make it around 120% or thereabout. We haven't found any news behind this rally. SQL has a very tiny float and very, very, very small market cap, so it is definitely vulnerable to manipulation as well. Not long ago, the company, I think on 30th of August, not long ago, the company did a reverse split. That is what is behind this low float it has currently, and also the price. Normally you don't see, as long as you wouldn't see, but you wouldn't see a small cap company, a small cap stock with this sort of price. That is what is behind it, and we haven't found any news, as I indicated. Okay, so this is what's going on. This is the order book. This is the flow of the market orders. This is what is called, this will be the bid side, the side where the orders to sell are going through, and this is the ask side. This is the orders to buy. All of these two, you find that the orders with the limit orders, any other order that is not a market order, these are where they are all queuing up. This is where they are all queuing up. This is where the market orders are going through. Market buy or sell, bid or ask. These are them. You can see there are very tiny numbers are going through for some reason. Okay, that's just an indication that it's only a very tiny amount of liquidity is very low, very poor. You can only see that it's only 545,000 shares that have crossed the tape, and it has already reached 122%. So amongst other things, there might also be manipulation going on somewhere. As I pointed out, it's vulnerable to manipulation. Okay, this is obviously the 1 minute chart on TradingView. The stock has dipped, as you notice, as you can see, and the algos are on the 1 minute. The 1 minute chart on this algo is projecting that it will decline and at some point also bounce back again. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart, and the market hasn't opened yet. We can probably have a look at different charts here. We have the 30-minute chart. It's indicating, yes, a dip as well, and then a spike, dip and a spike. We've done exactly. Okay, let's see now. That will be a spike is expected around half an hour before the market closes today. Should have already, the peak of that should have already taken place. This is that is a projection of its 10-period moving average. So let's look at the 45-minute chart. Same thing as well. Same thing applies there. Okay, so let's see whether we go to see any projections of its moving averages. Okay. The market hasn't opened, so I'm not going to read into a lot of meaning into these projections we are seeing. That's the 10-day moving average projections. But in any case, on the stock itself, the market hasn't opened. I would just have to stick with the 45-minute chart and see what is being indicated there. Okay, on the 45-minute chart, the stock has run up. It's above all of its projections, so it is predicting a retracement, and the projection there, the downward projection is 16.21. The one below that is 14.75. Okay, we might still be able to have a look at the 1 day chart regardless of whether the market is opened or not. Okay, so it's currently trading at let's see, let's get the price, $22 and some fraction. 21.1. So you can see, yes, I was actually right. We're not going to use this because the market hasn't opened 20. So I think our best bet is this 45-minute chart. It's in use. The market has opened. Sorry, this is active now. So It's run up above all of its projections, all of its upward projections. It's the algos are currently calculating a downward projection. It's currently calculating a downward projection, but the 10-period moving average has a mix of things. It's yes, it's projecting that probably a validation of that as well, projecting that it might by the post-market session it should be around $14.26. So SQL on the move, very tiny float, very tiny market cap, vulnerable to manipulation. We haven't found the news behind this rally. It ran up 122%. See what you make of it. Just be really careful, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.